Hi team, my name is Shipin and today I'm going to demo a small test cases that's for the frontline project. And first I will tell the what are the use case that I took from the frontline. So basically we have to verify the frontline IO page. So that is the first test case we can write that frontline when we navigate to the login.frontline page the page is appear or not that expected should be result frontline.io. The second test case I can do that sign up page like after entering first name surname email password and confirm password if you click on the continue button then another page will come that is email verification. So that is the second test case. And the third test case mean like to get the OTP from the email and while we enter in the OTP and if you click on the verify button that workspace page will come. So this is the third test case. So I'm going to demo all these three test cases. First I will demo the normal manual one, then I will move to the automation perspective. So this is the first test case like verifying while navigating to the frontline page that the frontline.io title should be there or not. This is the first test case. And second test case, like I said, that normal uh, sign up page, I will give a demo. And for that one, I just took one random email that is my email ID. So I will give this email ID. Then we'll type the password. Okay, while we click on the continue button, the second test case, like I said, I have to verify that email verification page is displayed or not. So this is the second test case. And the third test case that while we send to the OTP into the code, we have to extract the OTP from the mail, whatever mail like Gmail, Outlook, or any other kind of mail, we have to extract the OTP and we have to click on the verify button. So from this one, for the time being, I will take the OTP from the here. So the OTP is 11442. I will paste and I will click on the verify button. So when we click on the verify button, that select workspace page will display. This is the third scenario. This is the third test case. So I have to verify this one. From this, I can move forward because there is an invitation is going to the team, so they have to invite to approve that one. So uh, these three test cases I wrote in a automation level. So I will give the automation perspective. Fine. So move to the automation. Like I said, so we did as a playwright with Java and by using the TestNG. So these are the main tech stack that are used for the frontline project. Java we used 21, that is the latest version, latest and the stable version, and the Playwright with the latest version called 1.52, and the TestNG like a testing framework. We need a testing framework to do that, so we use TestNG. That 7.11 is the latest version. So that is the mainly tech stack that are used in the project. And like I said, these are the test cases for the demo. Verify the frontline page, verify the sign up page, and verify the email verification. For that one, we created a simple Maven project, and this is the Maven project structure, and this is the pom.xml, which is the heart of the project. Here we all added all the dependencies that are required for the project, like the Playwright version, TestNG version, Java, and everything we added as a dependency here. So when I coming to the project structure, these are the project structure, and there is one main folder called SRC. Inside that one, two folder are there, main and test. I will go for test now. So if you can see that, if you open the test, we can see that frontline test cases. So these are my test cases. I will explain within a detail. So this is the class that are used for the test case driven. So here there are the some setup and configurations are there. like before class, after class, what should we do? Like we have to invoke the browser and we have to quit the browser after the session. And these are the main configuration part that I can explain. So next I will move to the test case. Like I said, verify the frontline page. Verify the frontline page means like while we navigating after invoking a browser, Chrome browser, Firefox browser or Safari, whatever it is, Edge browser. So after navigating to the particular URL, we have to asset the title .frontline.io. So this is the assertion mechanism and this is the first test case. And second test case, like I said, that we have to verify the sign up page. The sign up page verifications contains we have to enter some field value like first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, and we have to click on the continue button. Once we click on the continue button, the another page called email verification page will appear. So we have to assert it that if we click on the continue page, it will appear or not. So this is the second type of assertion that are we used for the second test case. And the last one is the final test case that after sending that email OTP, we have to extract the OTP from the email and we have to given that one and we have to click on the verify button. Then another page called select workspace will come. So we have to assert that one also. So these are the main three test cases that we wrote for the front end test cases. Okay. For email OTP, we used some Java configuration. I will just show you. So this is the main that the email util mechanism. We set up everything using IMAP settings. So whatever it is, like I said, if it is Gmail or Outlook or any other email, we can configure it. That is not a problem. So this is the mainly code to extract the OTP based on the subject because our subject is called finish your registration to frontline OYO. That is the subject is coming to the mail, and there is a code like in the body there is a text called confirmation code is something. So we have to extract that OTP from the body based on the code, based on the text method. So we wrote some methods to get extracted. Okay. So coming back to the frontline test cases, these are the main three test cases that we written. Once again, I will cover this one. First test case means the verify in the frontline page, and second test case verify the sign up page. After entering all the details, we have to check that email verification page is displayed or not. And third test case, like after sending email the OTP to the corresponding mail, we have to extract it and we have to given, and if we click on the verify button, we have to verify the select workspace page. So these are the main three test cases that are used for the frontline test case. Okay, so now I will start the execution so you can see how the execution is going and how the automation will helpful for in the future and how the automation will helpful for to instead of the manual testing. Okay, so I'm going to run the suite. Hope you can see that the execution, how the execution is going. So if you click on the run button, now you can see the console part. The setup is in progress. Within seconds, a Chromium browser will invoke and will navigate to the URL and will enter all the details. We'll click on the sign up, then OTP will send to the email, then email OTP will extract from the email. Now you can see the browser is invoked. Okay, enter all the values. A email has been sent to this mail ID. Then OTP will extract from the email. So after that one, click on the verify button. Now you can see that after everything the browser is closed. So we can say that this is the latest OTP 999302 and the three test cases are passed, zero failures. So this is the for the confirmation. Let me take the email. So this is the latest email 99032. So 99032. The first another main concern is that if you're sending multiple OTP to the email, will it take latest or not? So I'm saying that it will take only the latest email. So there is no worry for the if you continually like if you are doing with multiple emails, there is no problem for that. There will be no blockers for that one. So this is the main for the test case, and this is all for the demo. Hope you got everything. And if you have any doubt, feel free to contact us. So we will help you regarding the how the automation works and how it is useful. How can we reduce the manual effort and everything. Once again, thank you so much. Bye.